Here I have Realme C11 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, then slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card, and here your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.